Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Welcome guys, and I am so happy you guys are here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the month of March. You actually like the theme for this month, so today we're going to be opening the base box. So let's go ahead guys and get started. So hi guys, today we're going to be opening this box here. This is the base box. As you know, this month there's 3 boxes, but today we're going to concentrate on the base box. This is the theme. Totally a game changer, totally surprised me because I was expecting more green like it was last year, but I am so glad about this theme. This theme is called the Game Changer, celebrating game changer and boss women, boss babes. So this is in honor of the Women's History Month. I totally love that. So let's go ahead guys and open this variation. The retail value for this box is almost $155. As you know, the choice was 3 items. It was between Chorus, Ultra Cosmetics, or Rare Beauty. I received Rare Beauty, and I really like this brand. I really like what I saw from her website. She had a picture of before and after applying the primer. So this is a primer. This one is called Always an Optimistic Base primer. You will see a picture of somebody wearing a primer before, and then after the face, the skin looks so matte and yet it's illuminating. So if you're gonna see me swatching this, it does have like this nice glow to it, but it has great ingredients here too, which I love that, because before primers had more silicone or has some other ingredients there that could harsh your skin, and I have sensitive skin, so I have to be careful. But guys, my skin totally changed. I am another journey. I really had improved my skin. I had really bad acne way many years ago, but I was able to improve it, and I was so happy with my skincare. I was happy how my skin was. But after I did and took the vaccine, as you know, the vaccine last year, I started having some great complications. Even certain foods I wasn't able to eat. My skin now is crazy, it's nasty. I'm even sad to say that, but it does not feel good when your skin was really good before. And a lot of the products that I was able to use that I really loved, that I saw improvement, some of those skincares I had to get rid of because my skin was not accepting at all. I was having breakouts every time or some type of complication in my skin. So my skin changed. I had a lot of fallout, a lot of, chunks of hairs just falling every single day when I wash my hair too. And I had very oily skin and oily hair, and now my skin is kind of dry, and so is my hair. So a lot of things have changed. So I am very careful when I'm gonna start applying on my skin, because a lot of products are not working. My skin is super sensitive now, and I'm scared to even try that. So I'm gonna try that maybe later on. But then again, I'm not a fan of primer, but I did like seeing the before and after. But then again, my skin is not even oily, so I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but I do like that it has that illuminating part there. So let's talk about the price. I know I took you on a journey just on that alone. So the price on that is $26. Now, is it worth the price? I was taken back a little bit when I opened it. I was like, this feels kind of small, and when I checked, it's a little less than an ounce. So that's kind of surprising there too. I'm not used. If you picked that, let me know. But I also wanted the serum from Chorus, because that's what I think I need now. So let's go ahead and move on. Now we have a new product, a new brand coming to Boxycharm. This is Lauren Conrad. We don't have much information on her website about her brand, but it looks like she's bringing more makeup items, so I guess we get to try them. Once you go to Instagram, you will see she has a lot of followers, so this must be an interesting line that we are seeing on Boxycharm as soon as they come out. So I guess it's a new release. One thing I did like from this product is that this is a liquid eyeliner, and it's so thin. And for a person that's not a fan, this one made it so much easier when I was doing a swatch. So I am interested into trying out this, and the retail value for that is $20. Next, we got Luxy brushes. Do you guys still get excited when you get Luxy brushes? I don't know, I'm just going back to when Boxycharm was just a base box, and I remember every time we get Luxy brushes, it was like so exciting because they work so great. I still catch myself going back to using brushes for the face, for the eyes from this brand, and I'm so excited to see this. You probably received this already last year in Boxy Lux. But as you know, it was a variation, so I don't mind seeing it in the base box this year. I really like that it comes with a pouch. It has a rose gold tone there. I tried these brushes today. We have a blending brush. This one I like to pack the product, and this one says it's for concealer, but it's too dense for concealer for me. So what I did was I applied the product there, and then with this I just blend it out a little bit. There's this brush here that is so rare to see in any eye makeup brush. It's so thin, so light, so precise. I did not want to use it here because sometimes when I have new brushes, I use them for cookies. Yes, you heard it right. I like to bake cookies, decorate cookies, and sometimes you need these type of brushes that are so thin when you are decorating, and I think I'm going to use that for that. And then it comes with a sponge. This one smells like nail polish remover, so I have to really wash it really good before trying it out. But I really love this, and guess what, guys, the price for this is $40. So we have 2 more items to go, and the next item I am so excited that is here. You're gonna be like excited for $20, but it's something that I need on my skincare. It's very affordable when you buy it in Choice Date, and they open the Boxy store, and it's so affordable. So one time I purchased something to exfoliate my scalp, and it was from this brand, and it really helped, it really worked, and I really like that product. So I'm excited to try this, but this one is different. This one is a vitamin C mask. This is a mask for the skin. It feels so lightweight. When I pumped it, it's like water, but it's packed with so many ingredients. It has papaya enzymes, pineapple extract. It has this plum in there too. It has lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acid, which is all great and perfect for what I'm tackling, which is acne and hyperpigmentation. So I think that is key. So I'm really excited because it has many great ingredients there, but it also claims that it's going to target acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines, which is exactly what I'm tackling right now. I'm really battling with that in my skin, so I'm excited to try this. I really am. And that one retails for $19.95, which I'm pretty shocked to see that price, but I hope it totally works for me. Since this is going to target my problem areas like acne and hyperpigmentation, I couldn't wait to try it, and I said, why not try it on camera and share with you guys on this unboxing. It's really easy to apply. Just apply on clean skin for 30 seconds in circular motions. Just make sure you tackle those pore areas, and those ingredients are so great with the papaya and pineapple extract. It's going to help remove the dead skin cells. Also, the salicylic acid is going to go deep into the pores to clear them out, and the lactic acid is going to help hydrate and plump the skin. I am so excited with all these great ingredients. So once I did that, I just let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I just rinse and pat dry. For me. And the last item, which is the last item on this box, is another item that I'm excited about too, and this one is from Generation Skin. I have not tried this brand. Let me know if you have. I know we have seen it before, but I haven't received products from this brand. Let me know if you guys have. At least I don't remember. I don't think I have. This is Generation Skin, and this one is hydrating marine eye patches. This one brings 30 pairs, and this one is also packed with so many great ingredients. This is packed with vitamins, minerals, also has fatty acids and proteins in there. This is very delicate, very soft, and I think it's perfect for that eye area. Having eye patches that is just like a lightweight serum that is really lightweight, I feel like it could penetrate better and we might see better results. I really like eye patches. Like I mentioned, it's very delicate, it's very soft, so I'm glad that it comes with this little spoon for you to be able to pick it, because if you grab it with your own hands, it kind of like really tears up and it breaks. So it's used to use this, and I just can't wait to try it. So guys, this is, you want to see how much that thing is? That is $49 for those patches. So I hope it really works too. I really need like a nice relaxing with a lot of mask, deeper skincare. I am really, guys, going on with my skincare And if you guys want to see my journey, you guys want to see what is working, how I'm improving, because my skin really looks really bad. If you want to see my journey and how to improve acne and hyperpigmentation, and let me know in the comment section, want to see a video about that. So I'm really excited about these products. Back then, a year ago, I would have not want this kind of box. I would have at least want to see an eyeshadow palette, but because of the journey that I'm in, I'm really excited about this box. I think this box would have been a better variation if I had the core serum here, but I don't mind this box at all. So I really want to share with you guys this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. At least I am enjoying it because I really like some of these products. I just can't wait to try them. Thank you guys for spending some time with me, and until the next video, bye.